position.
Yeah.
They're holding the market above 46,000 to sell.
Yeah. And
Right?
there's, yeah, exactly. And it's the same with single prints and things like that as well. Is we get this same kind of thought that, okay, if single prints are made on the way up, the price has to come down and immediately fill them, and it gets people off guard so much. And I keep saying
that's
this.
the thing about having rules.
Yeah,
You've got to be open-minded.
Yeah, because you would think, okay, single prints at some point, they're like a gap. It's likely to possibly, well,
Exactly,
it
right?
is likely to fill at some point. But the thing is, the first time you come in, and the first time you come into single prints, if you're above it, for me, would be a long. I wouldn't be looking to short. I would be looking to long.
Exactly,
that's,
exactly, right? Because that's where the shorts are buying. So if you want to buy, you want to buy above the people who are desperate to buy.
Yeah,
because they'll push you up.
Yeah,
right.
And people miss so many opportunities because they're like, oh, but they're single prints. We must come back and fill this.
And VWAP Fib says context is king. And that's so true. What are the circumstances of what's going on? Has the market just hit poor lows, or is it just bottomed out? And has everybody been buying for hours?